Scooby-Doo, where are you? I'm right here, Reggie. I love the look at the camera.
Now right here, we're talking this camera.
I want you to look right here and say, welcome to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, everybody.
Hey, welcome to Krispie King Cakes and Conversations. I get to introduce my friend Will right now. Hello. And Will is excited to be in the kitchen. I'm excited to be with him. Today we're going to create what? Right, Christmas tree with Scooby-Doo.
That's what I'm making for today. The Scooby-Doo Rice Krispies Cake. My name is Will, and I live in Christie City, Georgia. I will make some for Scooby-Doo for you guys, and I will make you Scooby-Doo right now. So here we go.
Scooby-Doo-Doo.
And action.
Let's cut 4 tablespoons of butter. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So make a cut right down that line.
Right there?
Yep, right on this red line right there.
How can you cut the butter?
That's it. Right here, I go right there. Just press straight down. How about that? Oh yeah. Make it rain butter right up in there. Whoa.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I love to listen to my music with Alexa. Let me see. Alexa loves Shake It Dance. Alexa loves Scooby-Doo. And Alexa loves Batman and Star Wars.
Ain't gonna hurt him. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There you go. I get in here and I want every marshmallow to be covered with butter. You want to do this part? Go for it.
Where my hand?
With your hands, yeah.
Alright.
What's it feel like?
Butter or marshmallow? I don't know. Well, I love to listen to Turkey in the Straw.
How's that go?
It's going like this. Turkey straw, and we can do the Mardi Gras, and we can do the turkey straw. Oh yeah!
How about 6 drops of food coloring? Okay, that's one long one. That's good. Oh, that's, go ahead and stir, big stir.
Whoa.
You want to add some Rice Krispies in there? Open that box up and pour them in.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Sometimes we let the cook eat a little bit. You want to try some? Get over here and eat you some of this.
Okay.
Well, I know you're going to get all that in your mouth. That wasn't...
Well, I play ball, grab a bat, a swing, and I run home, and then I skate.
That's it. Do you win the game for your team?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do not a full amount, but maybe 10 ounces of marshmallows. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right. Do you even care? What if we do 2 ounces?
2 ounces.
What if we do 100 ounces?
100 ounces.
How about 1,000 ounces of marshmallows?
Yeah.
We'll be here all day.
Yep. That's right.
And so you're going to Six Flags today?
Yeah.
What ride are you going to ride there?
Batman.
What's it like?
It's like a roller coaster. It goes up and down, loop-de-loop, and come back.
Do you get scared when you ride a roller coaster?
No, I will be brave.
Do you scream a little bit when you're on them?
Oh, yes, it is.
All right, Will, let's do it, baby. Hey, let's throw in some marshmallows. Let's get this party going.
Marshmallows?
Yeah, throw them in.
In you go.
Get after it, man. You're the cook. It's your kitchen.
Whoa.
You did just kiss your hands that you're about to stick in there, but so be it. This is your cake.
All right. Here we go, doesn't.
You have a girlfriend, Will?
Well.
Give me this thing. This guy, he can't stir and talk about girls at the same time.
Are there some things about school that are hard for you?
Well, school always do works, math, and science.
Yeah. How do you do with math?
Math can do 2 plus 2 or 2 minus 2. I don't know.
Is math hard sometimes?
Well, math can use a calculator and do numbers.
You're gonna be happy with it no matter what we do, being that you're only happy. You wanna pour in just a little bit more?
Right on it, Shaggy.
Okay. How does Shaggy sound? That's good right there. What does Shaggy sound like? Joinks. Okay, that's all. I think we're good. Okay. He says joinks. Joinks.
Do you like to read?
Yes, but I love reading my book. I love reading a book about Scooby-Doo. And yeah, I just read and turn breaks. And then I just read Scooby-Doo with my friends. And so yeah, I love reading books.
What does Scooby dance like? Show me a Scooby dance. Scooby-Doo-Doo. Yeah.
Right on you.
We got some.
What you do now?
Come on, Scooby-Doo. I see you. If Scooby were to just start dancing, what would it look like? I feel like he'd dance like this.
Stop to the left. Stop to the right. And that's how you do. Scooby-Doo.
You know what time it is? It's game time. And when it's game time, it's pain time. Get you some of that.
Here we go, Susie. Oh!
I think we're heading in the right direction.
Do you want to have a job one day?
Yes.
Where do you want to have a job?
I have a job to do, have restaurant or Chick-fil-A. Cause I love doing restaurant. And I can make Rice Krispies Cake or Pop-Tarts.
So I want you to get a little butter like that and put it on your hand. Go ahead and pinch it, just a little bit. That's a lot of bit. Hey, while Will's got a little bit of butter on his hands, how you feel about the butter?
Yeah.
He can't hit the like button right now because he's a little bit greasy fingered, but if you're liking Will and this creation that he's working on right now, that he is molding, go ahead and hit the like button below. And if you would comment below this video and give a shout out to Will, he'd love to hear from you. And let him know what you love maybe about Scooby-Doo. Is that a good question? Yep, let him know what you love about Scooby-Doo. If you want more videos like Cakes and Conversations, if you'll hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell, it'll send you notifications every time we put out a video. Gotta appreciate the butter, Will.
Yeah.
How's it feel? Good. All right.
Okay. It feels like I feel wonderful. Yeah, that's right, Reggie. Well, and I grow up, I could be just a Chick-fil-A helper.
What kind of things would you do there?
Order some food.
You take their orders?
Yes, and I can order someone. You can have chicken sandwich, french fries, root beer, and some dessert.
What do you like for dessert there?
Milkshake.
Oh yeah, you do. What's your favorite flavor?
Cookies and the cream.
Cookies and the cream.
Can you start making the ears?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you see the ears right there? Can you make 2 ears out of these 2? Oh, I like it. Let's not put it on yet. We'll put them on toward the end. That'll be one of the last things we put on. It's looking more like a chicken right now. Okay, I guess we're gonna go ahead and get that ear on.
Subscribe. The good friend is learn about God, like church. I love my friends because they're my friends. Anytime.
How do they make you feel?
Happy. I'm very happy because because I want to be happy, because I want to be happy with my friends. So yeah, that's all I want to do.
It's a little bit big, but like Scooby. If you're not fluent in Scooby, we'll make sure we put some subtitles down below. You mean yes?
Yeah.
Okay. We're now only speaking in Scooby.
Yeah, that's right.
You grab that, put that one right here.
We're right.
And I'm gonna press it down in there.
Right. Yeah.
Does your mom make you do chores at the house?
Yes.
What kind of things do you have to do?
Make my bed, watch video on my computer, and play games on my computer.
I feel like your mom is not making you play games on your computer.
Go.
Like push it down.
Push it.
Yep, there we go. There it is. There you go, use it. Oh, okay. What's that look like right there? Does that look good?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
How about this one for his name?
Oh, for his name. Well, let's do it. You want to cut it or you want me to? You can cut it. Okay, cut it right across this line right there. That's good. Yeah. This guy loves some crispy. I feel like if I weren't in the kitchen, we would only have half a Scooby.
What else kind of dancing do you like to do?
Macarena.
Hey, Macarena.
Today we made Scooby-Doo cupcake.
Oh. Cupcake.
No, it's a cake.
Scooby-Doo. We believe that every creation is beautiful and everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen.
Click on subscribe button down below.
Yes, and do that too. Anything else you want them to know?
Click on subscribe and bye for now.
We'll see you in the kitchen.